Hello my dear students, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are fine. Title देखकर ही आपको पता चल गया what is today's topic. Yes, today's topic is simplification of algebraic expression. This is the topic where most students do mistakes. But don't worry children, I will show you how to avoid these common mistakes. And I will also give you some golden rules which will help you to avoid your mistakes. So watch it with full concentration. Children, first I would like to tell you what is algebraic expression. This concept should be clear. So listen properly. An algebraic expression is a combination of constant means numbers and variables means the letters connected with any sign. It may be plus, minus, multiplication, division or combination of all these signs. Okay, let me take one example so that it will be easier for you to understand. The example you see 5x square plus 2y minus 9xy plus 4. Here 4 terms are here and connected by what? Plus sign and minus sign. This is called expression, means algebraic expression. At the same time, this concept should also be clear. That is, what is the difference between expression and equation? You see, I am writing 3x minus 2 equals to 10. Here you can see equals to sign is there, left side and right side are left hand side, right hand side also there. This is an equation. In expression, no equals to sign. Okay, I hope you understood the difference. Now I will give you the first golden rule. Okay, that is you can only add or subtract like terms. Only like terms can be added or subtracted. What is like terms? This should also be clear. Like terms means if there is 3-4 terms with same variables, they are called like terms. See this one, 3x plus 5x equals to 8x. Yes, this is correct because both are x, so like terms we added. Next, same way 2x plus y equals to 3y. They are also like terms, so we added. But children, if I write 3x plus 4y equals to 8xy, you write this thing. Okay, first mistake. 4 plus 3, not 8. X and y, not like terms, so equals to 8xy is totally wrong, right? You understood, okay? If you feel this video is helpful, so don't forget to share with your friends. Now, all of you pause the video if you have not bought your pen and copies. You bring your pen and copies and focus for next few minutes. We will do the sum with full explanation step by step. Okay. Now first one, 4x minus first bracket start, 3y minus x plus 2z first bracket close. Second golden rule, before first bracket or any bracket, if minus sign is there, you have to change all the sign which are inside the bracket. See this, 4x minus 3y minus x become plus x and plus 2z become minus 2z. Now you see 2x and x both are like term, so you will add, so it become 5x plus 3 minus 3y minus 2z. Understood now? Now go for the next sum, number 2. Minus 3 inside the bracket a plus b minus 4 into 2a minus 3b minus 2 inside the bracket 2a minus b. We will follow the second golden rule. Minus 3 is before the bracket, so sign will change. So minus 3a minus 3b. Okay, not plus 3b. Now next plus sign is there, so there is no question of changing sign. Simply you write plus 4 2s are 8a plus minus minus 4 3s are 12b. Again before the first bracket minus sign is there. So apply the second golden rule, minus 2a and plus b, because before first bracket minus sign is there. So minus b changed to plus b. Now we will collect the like terms together. Children, when you will collect and write the like terms together, first you write the positive one. See how I am writing, 8a plus minus 3a minus 2a, and see the terms with variable b. Plus b is there. So first you write that plus b minus 12b and then minus 3b. You will understand now only why I am telling you for doing this. Now I will collect all the constant together and the variable a I will keep outside the bracket. First inside the bracket you write the constant, that is 8a minus 3 minus 2, and the variable a keep outside the bracket. Plus, now plus sign is there, so no need to change the sign inside the bracket. That's why I told first you write the positive one. See, 1 minus 12 minus 3 inside the bracket and b outside the bracket. Now simply you calculate. 8 minus 3 minus 2 is what? 8 minus 5a plus 1 minus 12 minus 3 means minus 15. So 1 minus 15 inside the bracket and b outside the bracket. So 8 minus 5 3a plus inside the bracket 1 minus 15 is minus 14b. So now simply remove the bracket, 3a plus minus minus 14b. I hope all of you understood. If you have still any doubt, ask me in comment box. I will definitely clear your doubt. Now next question number 3. This is little longer, children, but step by step I will explain. You follow it. That is 12x minus third bracket start 3x cube plus 5x square minus second bracket start 7x square minus first bracket start 4 minus 3x minus x cube first bracket close plus 6x cube second bracket close minus 3x third bracket close. You see before first bracket minus sign is there, okay? So see 12x minus third bracket start 3x cube plus 5x square minus second bracket start 7x square minus 4 minus 3x become plus 3x and minus x cube become plus x cube. So first bracket removed. Now plus 6x cube second bracket closed, then minus 3x third bracket closed. Now see inside the second bracket two like terms are there, x cube plus 6x cube. We will add these two. So 2 equals to 12x minus third bracket start 3x cube plus 5x square minus second bracket start, and first we will write this 7x cube first. Then we will write 7x square. Then we will write plus 3x. Then last minus 4 second bracket close minus 3x third bracket close. Children, be careful. See before second bracket again minus sign. So you have to change the sign. So next step is 12x minus third bracket start 3x cube plus 5x square. Now be careful. Minus 7x cube minus 7x square plus 3x become minus 3x and plus 4 become minus 4 become plus 4. Then minus 3x third bracket close. Now next step we will collect the like terms together. And we will write the positive one first. So 12x minus third bracket start 3x cube minus 7x cube. So next x square we will write. The positive one is which one? Plus 5x square. Then we will write minus 7x square. Now minus 3x, both are negative, so write together. Last you write plus 4 and third bracket close. Now next step, I am here not separating the constant. You can do it. I'm not doing because I want to show both the method to you. So next step, equals to 12x minus, third bracket start, minus 3 minus 7, 3x square minus 7x square minus 4x square plus 5x square minus 7x square, that is minus 2x square, and minus 3x we will add minus 6x, not 9x, okay. Then plus 4, third bracket close. Again minus sign before third bracket, okay. So 12x plus 4x square plus 2 plus 4x cube plus 2x square plus 6x minus 4. So you see 12x and 6x both are like terms. So you see I have written together. Next step we will just add these two, okay. So next step is equals to 4x cube plus 2x square plus 12x plus 6x, that is 18x minus 4. I hope all of you understood. Now children, I want to ask you one question. You write the answer in comment box. The question is, before any bracket, if minus sign is there, when you will remove the bracket, what will you do? You will change the sign inside the bracket or not? Write the answer, okay? Today is this much, children, and bye-bye.